If you are looking to change resolution in Filmora, then how you can do that? You need to click on the file on the top menu bar and go to the project settings. And here you will see that the current project resolution is 1920 by in 1080, which is full HD. You can click in that and you can select 1280 by 720, which is HD, and you can also select 4K resolution 3840 into 2160 and ultra 4K 4096 into 2160. So it is up to you the which resolution you preferred. I select the 1920 and 1080. So moreover, you can also customize the resolution by here putting the numbers by the resolutions, and after that you need to click on the OK. Once you done it, and if you want to change the resolution again go to the file and project settings, and again resolution, click and change it to 1280, and it's done. Moreover, another way is that you can also click on this little computer icon over here, click on that and change project aspect ratio. Click on that and you will route to the same screen, and here you can change the resolution as per your need. Click OK, and if you think this video fix your problem, then support my channel. Thanks for watching.